what I want to do here is give each note a slightly different sound and texture to it. So what you'll notice in this oscillator 1, let me turn oscillator 2 off so you can hear oscillator 1. What we have here is we've got the classic is going to open up in accordance to where this is. So if we, again, if we start on the melody like this and we're bringing it in, right? But that's opening up every single one to the same amount. So what we can do to give it a bit more variation is we can go into the matrix here, little slight changes instead rather than big drastic ones. So these can give that little bit of a humanized feel to your sound, and so that every 8 bars, 4 bars, whatever you want to do, isn't exactly the same, which is this. And the velocity can now basically dial in how much each note is going to dial in, basically how much of this is going to happen. So it's essentially 2 sort of like processes to it. So this is already happening over here if this is dialed up, but now we're getting the velocity. Now the reason why I'm showing you this one is you might want to accentuate certain notes in a breakdown. For example, let's say you've got a simple little pluck, having some closed and some open can accentuate how big that particular note is and how much expression it has.